This is the Asus ROG Phone 8 Ultimate, and Asus says this isn't just a gaming phone anymore. It's a phone you can actually use every day. But here's the thing. Gaming phones usually come with big compromises, huge size, weird designs, and cameras that feel like an afterthought. So after using this as my daily driver for a week, gaming, scrolling, filming, and everything in between, I found a few things Asus doesn't really talk about in the ads. And yeah, some of them might surprise you. Product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? This is the Asus ROG Phone 8 Ultimate, and it's the most ambitious ROG phone Asus has ever made. Traditionally, ROG phones were built only for hardcore mobile gamers. This time, Asus is clearly aiming broader, gamers who also want a normal-looking premium smartphone. You're getting Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a stunning AMOLED display, advanced cooling, and a bold new design that's way more subtle than past ROG phones. The big selling point? Console-level gaming performance without sacrificing daily usability. And yes, this is the top-tier Ultimate version with extra RAM, storage, and some exclusive features. Performance. I use the ROG Phone 8 Ultimate for everything, from casual scrolling and social media to heavy games like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and PUBG on max settings. Not once did I notice stutter, frame drops, or lag. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and gaming performance is about as smooth as it gets on Android right now. What really impressed me is thermal control. Gaming phones usually turn into hand warmers after 30 to 40 minutes. Thanks to Asus's redesigned cooling system and vapor chamber, this stays surprisingly cool, even during extended gaming sessions. And if you're using the optional Aero Active cooler, it's even better. Day-to-day performance is equally solid. Switching between apps, editing photos, recording video, it all just works. This is one of those phones where you never think about performance, and honestly, that's the highest compliment. Features and tech. First, the display. You get a 6.78-inch Li-To AMOLED display with up to 165 Hz refresh rate. Translation: everything feels insanely smooth. Scrolling through Twitter, playing games, even just opening menus, it's buttery. Plus, the brightness and color accuracy make it great for watching content. Second, AirTriggers. These are ultrasonic touch sensors on the sides of the phone. Basically, they act like shoulder buttons on a controller. Once you try them in shooters or racing games, it's really hard to go back. It makes mobile gaming feel more console-like. Third, Anime Vision Mini LED display. On the back, there's a customizable dot matrix display. You can show animations, notifications, or even game-related visuals. Totally unnecessary? Maybe, but also very cool. Finally, software features. ROG's Gaming Hub lets you fine-tune performance, frame rates, touch response, and battery usage per game. If you love control and customization, this is heaven. Design and build. Here's where things really changed. For the first time, an ROG phone doesn't scream gamer from across the room. The flat sides, matte glass back, and slimmer profile make it feel normal in a good way. It's lighter and thinner than previous models, which makes daily use way more comfortable. The phone is also IP68 water and dust resistant, something older ROG phones completely lacked. That alone makes this feel like a proper flagship. In hand, it feels premium and solid, though it's still a big phone. One thing to note, the matte finish helps with fingerprints, but the camera bump is noticeable on a desk. Battery life is excellent. You're getting a 5500 mAh battery, and with normal use, social media, YouTube, messaging, and some gaming, I easily ended the day with battery to spare. Heavy gaming will drain it faster, obviously, but that's expected. The good news is 65-watt fast charging gets you back up quickly, and Asus includes the charger in the box. You also get smart charging features to protect long-term battery health, which is great if you plan to keep this phone for years. Camera performance. This might be the biggest improvement over older ROG phones. The 50-megapixel main camera with gimbal stabilization is genuinely good. Photos are sharp, colors are natural, and low light performance is solid. Is it iPhone or Pixel level? No, but for the first time, you won't feel embarrassed pulling this out to take photos. Video stabilization is especially impressive, making handheld footage look smooth and usable for social media. Pros: best gaming features on any smartphone. IP68 water resistance. Premium, more mature design. Cons: very expensive. Cameras still not class-leading. Final verdict. Look, if you're a serious mobile gamer who also wants a phone that works in real life, great cameras, water resistance, clean design, this is an absolute no-brainer. The ROG Phone 8 Ultimate is the most complete gaming phone ever made. But if you barely game and just want the best camera or the cleanest software experience, you're probably better off with a Galaxy S Ultra or an iPhone Pro. This phone isn't trying to replace those, it's carving out its own lane. And honestly, Asus finally nailed it. The ROG Phone 8 Ultimate isn't just a gaming phone anymore. It's a flagship that just happens to be incredible at gaming.